Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
How are you all? I hope you are well.
Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert red color border in Microsoft Word document. So get let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video I will show that insert red color border in Microsoft Word. Now going to the design mode option. Now for click. Then click for the page border option. Then click for the color. Now for click. Then click for the red color option. Then click for the widget option. Now for click, then choose a widget. Now I choose from the 3 feet. Now click for the 3 feet option. Now click for the OK. Now click for the box option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show insert red color border in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.